Alex's journey towards success was not an easy one, as he faced many obstacles and setbacks along the way. He had a dream of becoming a successful businessman and owning his own company, but he struggled with self-doubt and fear of failure. However, Alex refused to give up on his dream and continued to push forward, determined to make it a reality. One of the key lessons that Alex learned was the importance of perseverance in the face of failure. He realized that failure was not a negative outcome but rather an opportunity to learn and grow. Alex began to approach his business ventures with a different mindset, knowing that every failure brought him one step closer to success. He learned from his mistakes and used that knowledge to make better decisions and achieve greater success. Another important lesson that Alex learned was the power of taking calculated risks. In order to achieve his goals, he knew that he had to push himself out of his comfort zone and take chances. However, he also realized that he needed to be smart about the risks that he took, weighing the potential rewards against the potential consequences. Despite the challenges that Alex faced, he never lost sight of his vision for the future. He remained focused on his goal of owning his own company and changing the world with his innovative ideas. He was willing to put in the hard work and dedication required to make his dream a reality. Over time, Alex's hard work and perseverance paid off. He achieved his dream of starting his own company and making a difference in the world. His success was not achieved overnight, but rather through a series of small victories and setbacks. However, he never lost sight of his goal and remained committed to his vision. Alex's story is a powerful reminder that success is not achieved overnight, but rather through hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It requires the willingness to take calculated risks and learn from failures along the way. If you have a dream or a goal that you want to achieve, remember Alex's story and never give up on your dreams. With hard work and perseverance, anything is possible.